Okay, guys and dolls, here we are. Here's the story problem from March 18th. So we're going to read it carefully, and we're going to underline and chunk as we read. 1,491 people. I'm going to stop right there. Okay, this is a number word. So I don't have to keep rereading it. I'm just going to write this in its number form just to make it easier for my brain. So this is 1,491. Okay, so then I'm going to chunk it. 1,491 people attended the school play, and 1,422 chunk people attended the band concert. About how many people attended these two events altogether? Chunk. And then it says round to the nearest 100. Okay. Before I even get all overwhelmed, I'm going to answer the question being asked. About how many people attended these two events altogether? So I'm going to write about blank people attended these two events together. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to think, what do I know? Okay, so I know there's a bunch of people going to a play and a bunch of people going to a band concert. And I want to try and figure out about how many people are attending these two events together. So this will be a good time to draw a bar model. I'm going to make my line. I'm just going to title it P for people, because that's all we're really figuring out. And then I'm going to draw a bar. And inside the bar, I'm going to write 1,491. And I know these are the people that went to the SP, otherwise known as school play. And then I know that I'm going to draw another bar, and I'm going to write inside it the 1,422, and I'm going to label it BC, baby, because that's the people that attended the band concert. So then what I'm trying to find out is about how many people attended these two events all together. So I'm putting my question mark either here at the end of the bar, or another way you could write it if you want to, so if you're more comfortable doing it that way. Either way, what I'm showing here is that I'm trying to figure out what 1,491 plus 1,422 equals. And I'm going to put an N here, but you could put a question mark. You could put like a box. It doesn't really matter. It's just showing that what we're trying to find out is going to go here. So I'm going to line it all up. My column adding. And when I do that, I got 1 plus 2 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. Put down the 1, carry the 1, 10. 4 and 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And then 1 and 1 is 2. Put the comma in the right spot. Okay, so I know that exactly 2,913 people attended the two events together. But this is asking for about, which means that we round. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite my number right here, 2,913. And then it says round to the nearest 100. So what I'm going to do when I round to the nearest 100, I circle the place I'm rounding and I underline to the right. Okay, if I've got 2,913, the 13 is telling me that this is closer to 2,900 than it is to 3,000. So that means I'm rounding down to 2,900. So then I'm going to fill in my answer statement. About 2,900 people attended these two events together. Check.